Coloring books are hot, trust me. You can find many of these on Amazon, and I'll show you some of these examples. But what else I'm going to show to you today is how you can make these. Trust me, anyone can do it. It's not hard. Actually, it's fun as well. Have a look at this book. This one is for Christmas. That's the niche that I recommend right now because, well, soon it's Christmas. But have a look at this one. This one is, as you can see down there, $6. As you can see right here, I don't know why they haven't put the, yeah, they have $6 for a paperback. As you can see, $6, but this one has more than 4,000 ratings. Now, I can totally, with utmost guarantee, tell to you that this one has been sold over 7,000 times. The reason for that is that not everyone is going to leave a review after they make a purchase. I don't know why is that the case, but people just do that. So this is at least 7,000. And if you take 7,000, multiply that by 6, that's going to be huge. $42,000 for a coloring book. Now, there's a lot more of these other ones, and you can see that there's a lot of niches out there. But as I've told you, this one is going to work well now. But for the future, well, we should just choose whatever you want. Also, what I'm going to do to you is that I'm going to give you the prompts that you can use in order to generate these books yourself. Firstly, ChatGPT. Open it up, and then just copy this prompt, all right? This prompt will help us to get some ideas and to get some of these pages. You can pause the video and just rewrite this one, or I can paste it down in the description, and of course ChatGPT is gonna provide, all right, 50 of these unique ideas for you. Now, of course, you can choose whatever you want, whichever niche you want, whichever theme you want, and it's gonna give you a lot. But as you can see, I put here as a coloring book seller aiming to make the most of the Halloween trend. So you can just replace Halloween with Christmas or New Year's Eve, or you can just go with forest, animals, whatever you want. And then we go to the next step. Once ChatGPT, of course, finishes all of this, and here it is, now you can choose whatever you want. Now, I know some of you guys prefer Midjourney, some of you prefer Stable Diffusion, some of you prefer whatever else is there, but I like Leonardo.ai. And you can use it for free. You've got 150 tokens. They will regenerate each day, and Leonardo is such a good tool. You can see that this was used for games, at the first when it was made, but then people just started using it for anything. When you land inside, you will see some of these recent creations, and what do we have to do? We just have to head over to AI image generation. As you can see, these are my latest image generation things, and I choose this model, which is called Children Coloring Books, which uses up 3 tokens. Now, you shouldn't worry about these tokens at first, because as you can see, you've got 150 of these, and they will regenerate each 24 hours for you. Later, of course, if you want to get more of these, you will have to pay for it, something, I don't know, it's not much, but right now I just want to show you how this works. All right, so this is like a haunted castle or something. So a coloring page of a haunted castle with bats around. So I'm just gonna now change this prompt in order to make, let's say, something for Christmas. Let's go with Christmas tree. I'm just click on generate, and let's hope it turns out well. So almost 30 seconds it needs. Well, sometimes it's just slow. I don't know. It depends on demand or whatever, but it's not going to take a lot. As you can see, I've even got myself one colored one. This is not good, but for example, this is a really good example of a coloring thing. Now let's try with another one. I'll go with some castles again because, I don't know, I like them. And then you can see these results. They're really good. I mean, I really like Leonardo. It always delivers. So, as you can see, really, really good. Now, do have in mind that you can generate more of these images at once, but I just tend to use 3. It's okay to me, but as you can see, these input dimensions, you can just increase them. I can't use this one because you have to pay for this one, but you can always use a tool which is called Upscale. As you can see, it says upscale.org, and this can just increase the size of your image. It can even bring up the resolution to be better, but this one has to be downloaded on your computer in order to work. Just download something that is relevant to your operating system, whatever, or you can just use some of these that are like online. You know, there's a lot of these free ones. This one is free as well, so you can just go and upscale your image to dimensions that you want. So that was the first part. The second part is to use canva.com, and canva.com is needed because it can give you a lot of pages. You can just combine all of these together. It depends on how many pages you want your coloring book to have. Also, one thing that Canva has, and I really like, is that they've got coloring theme templates. Well, I mean, they've got a lot of these. But these are like for kids, you know. I like to focus on these coloring books that are for adults, but Canva has a lot of these for kids. So if you are into that, you don't even have to generate these with Leonardo. Also, what I recommend to some people, if you have some money to invest, it's BookBolt. This can do all of those like inside work on pages, covers, and all of that. And you've got like this 3-day free trial, which you can use. Pricing, it's not so bad, you know, it's like $10 per month. But if you just get steady profit from Amazon this way, this is gonna really be useful to you because, well, it's just for that, you know. It has a lot of these tools, and they have keyword research tool that I really love to use. But if you don't want to invest right now, you can forget about it. What you do have to use is one of these templates. You can just customize it, and you can delete this whole page. Now you can just select everything and delete it. You just need this. And now you will go to upload, and you will upload the files from Leonardo, whichever one of these you took, right? And then you just have to combine all of these together. And the last step is to make a cover. Of course, cover will be colored. You can do that in Leonardo as well. It can be like this, for example. And all you have to do is to go over to Google and to type in KDP cover calculator. Now, what this is going to do, it's going to give you the dimensions for that cover, because you will just select these little things, some information. So binding type is going to be paperback. It's cheaper that way. Interior type is going to be black and white, of course. Paper type, just plain white paper. Left to right. Measurements units, this is dependable on where do you live. And then interior trim size, usually it's 8.5 by 11 inches for coloring books. And then it depends, for example, if your coloring book is going to have like 40 pages, just do that. Click on calculate dimensions, and they will give you everything that you need. You can even download this template, which is going to be in the zip file, and you can just open it up, and then you will get this PDF file, and this is the cover of your book. Now you just take this and you input that to Canva, and then you just have to go by these dimensions. As you can see, these red lines, this is going to be like folded, and these red lines on the outside, these are not going to be printed out. This is because these have like Amazon margins, and please do not put your design to go over these red lines, all right? Nothing that goes into these red lines will be printed out, all right? So just take care. This is the front page, this right-hand side, this is the front page, and this is gonna be the back. All right, so that's all that you need to know. You need to place a picture here, whatever. You will just use this template in order to know where to put these things. And of course, in the end, you will delete this. You've got all of these dimensions. Just input all of these dimensions into Canva. And then, of course, you can simply use Leonardo to generate yourself a cover as well. I'm telling you, there's money into this, but this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not going to be success overnight. You got to work on it. You're going to test it out multiple times. You got to be really patient, and you got to work hard for it, just like for everything else, right? Just invest your time and effort, and trust me, if you're patient enough and consistent as well, if you learn from your mistakes, like all of these other people are doing, you will get that money. So, wish you good luck, and I'll catch you.